What's going on, world? So I'm back. Today I'm going to join a new smart contract by Tron, another Tron smart contract, and I'm gonna do this one a little differently because I'm start with cashing out a free Visa um, debit card. It's a $10 debit card. I'm gonna cash out. I'm going to cash that out and have to cash it out through PayPal, and the end result has to be putting Tron in my Tron wallet. So once I cash the debit card out to PayPal, I have to cash PayPal out to my bank account. From my bank account, I can send that over to Cash App where you can buy cryptocurrency. I can buy Bitcoin and convert Bitcoin into Tron through another service, and that'll go right into my Tron wallet. Then I'll be ready to purchase a position on a smart contract.
But first,
They said I need an intro. Let's go.
Alright, so step one, I'm going to go to my gift card app. Alright, I'm over $10. I can cash out that. Choose Visa. Choose $10 and redeem. Alright, so I'm going to pause it. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes for them to give me my gift card number. So I'll be back. Alright, so a $10 card has arrived. Let's go ahead and get the money. Let me go ahead and log in. One moment. Alright, I'm logged in. Select $10 virtual Visa card. Confirm. Agree. Alright, so this is the card number. I'm going to copy this number, take a screenshot, and what I'm going to do is go to PayPal, and I'm going to send a request for payment to another email address of mine. Log into that email and pay that request with this number. That's going to put the $10 into my PayPal account. Alright, I'm in the PayPal account. We're going to do a request. $10. Request. Alright, request is done. Not now. Let's see. Alright, you see the request there. Alright, so I'm in my other email. Here's a request. Pay now. Pay as guest. Card number. was it? 3/20/21. I need to fill this information out. I'll be right back. All right, I filled that information out. This is the confirmation page. I agree to send $10 to me. All right. So then we go back to PayPal, refresh, and bam, $9.41. They take a little fee out, but there you go, pretty much $10 free. Now what I have to do is I'm gonna send $10 to my bank account and then add that to my Cash App, because Cash App I can send Bitcoin and turn it into Tron and go straight to my Tron wallet. So let's see. All right, I'll be right back. I don't think I can record once I'm inside my bank. It won't let the app work. So I'll continue from the Cash App once I send it to Cash App. All right, so I was going to do Cash App, but Cash App is trying to make me verify my information with my ID and all of that stuff. So I'm not going to do Cash App. I'm already set up through Coinbase, so I'll just buy Bitcoin from my bank and then transfer the Bitcoin into Tron through another service. Let's see, home, Bitcoin. All right, so it's going to be a 99-cent fee. So it's going to cost me $9.19. That's fine. Buy the Bitcoin. Successfully purchased. I want to buy Bitcoin. No, I don't want to buy Bitcoin every week. Cool. All right, so the Bitcoin purchase went through. The next step, I have to create a new Tron wallet for the smart contract that I'm starting. 1 second. All right, so I'm inside my Tron wallet. So far I have 3 smart contracts, of which 2 I already started. Cyberchain, Power of 2, and Foresize Tron. I didn't start that one yet. I will start that one this week. But this one I'm getting ready to start today. It's called Tron Eternal. So I need a new wallet. Create a new account. Tron Eternal. Enter my PIN. All right, now I have my Tron Eternal wallet. Copy the wallet address. Come over to my notepad. Let's see. All right. Now I'm going to show you the service that's going to help me transfer my Bitcoin into Tron, and it's going to go right into this Tron wallet. All right, so if you go to my other website, Smart Contract Programs, I explain what a smart contract is, how to get involved. Here are some of the popular smart contracts through Ethereum, Million Money, and Forsage. And I'm building out my list of Tron smart contracts right now. I'm in Cyberchain. By the time you see this video, you'll see a page for Tron Eternal as well. So at the bottom of this page, here's a service that will help you transfer Bitcoin, exchange Bitcoin for Tron. So this is what I'm going to use to send that money right into that Tron wallet that I just created. So let me copy the amount of Bitcoin from Coinbase, and it's going to automatically do everything for me. All right, so the amount of Bitcoin I'm sending, I'm going to send all of it. So 0.00083,290. So that's how much Tron I'm going to get. About 306 Tron. Going to select exchange. Enter the recipient's Tron address. So that's going to be that Tron wallet address that I just created. I'm going to copy that. So then it's going to tell me the Bitcoin address to send that Bitcoin to. Once that Bitcoin goes to that address, this service will automatically exchange it into Tron and send it to that Tron address. So we're going to copy this, go back to Coinbase, and no, I don't think that's that. I think it's this one. Send all. Continue. Not now. Send to address here. Paste it. And continue. It's going to be a little fee. I get it. That's cool. Send it. Done. So I'm going to pause this video. Once this settles, you'll see the amount in my Tron wallet, and then I'll proceed to starting that new smart contract for Tron Eternal. All right, so that didn't take long. The Bitcoin has settled. See, Coinbase has 2 confirmations, and if you look in my Tron wallet for Tron Eternal, it is a balance of 303 Tron. So now what I need to do is, with this Tron wallet, I can get started with the smart contract. I need to go get the referral link from the person who I'm signing up under, and I'll show you how to sign up. All right, so now I have the referral link. So once I'm in a Tron wallet, I click this little icon down on the left, enter her referral link there. All right, so this smart contract pays from 1% to 5% daily interest and pays 10% on referral commissions. Minimum of 50 Tron. I'm gonna do the wallet balance and see what, let's see, 303. I must need to figure out how close I can get to 300. See, 299. Okay, so let's do 299. Confirm. enter my PIN. So it worked. So now my wallet balance, you see there's 1 Tron. So it was because of fees. I didn't leave enough room to cover the fees for the transaction by trying to do the whole wallet balance. So look at the dividend section. It says my investments is 299 Tron. All right, available to withdraw. 25% reinvest if I withdraw. So whenever you do a withdrawal, the system automatically takes 25% of your balance to reinvest. So this is a situation where you can't stop making money. That's why I like smart contracts. They just work and they can't stop. All right. So now that I made my deposit, I now have a referral link. So once you see this video on my website, you'll see a video that's going to explain the smart contract, and then you'll see this video under, so you can follow me through signing up if that's what you want to do. And if this is on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content. If you want to be notified every time I drop a new video, that's how you do it. Click the bell notification. All right, till next time. See you later.
Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video about making money. All right, see you guys later.